If you're looking for a beachfront hotel with a touch of luxury in Fuengirola, IPV Palace and Spa is an excellent choice. Located at the quieter end of the promenade, it offers a relaxing atmosphere while still being close to the town's lively restaurants, shops, and nightlife. The hotel sits right on the beach, offering stunning sea views and direct access to the sand. Rooms are spacious, comfortable, and well-equipped, with most featuring private balconies overlooking the Mediterranean. The classic decor and modern amenities make it a cozy yet stylish retreat. One of its standout features is the Spa and Wellness Centre, where guests can enjoy a hydrotherapy circuit, sauna, steam bath, and a range of beauty treatments. There's also a large outdoor pool with plenty of sun lounges, ideal for soaking up the Costa Del Sol sunshine. When it comes to dining, the hotel offers a high-quality buffet restaurant serving Mediterranean and international dishes, plus a la carte options for a more refined experience. In the evenings, guests can enjoy live music, cocktails, and a laid-back atmosphere at the bar. The service is friendly and professional, and while some areas could benefit from a modern refresh, the overall experience is excellent. For those seeking a tranquil beachfront stay with great amenities and fantastic views, IPV Palace and Spa is a top pick in Fuengirola.